is really weird. I've never had pumpkins rot so quickly. It's not even December yet. It's December 1st tomorrow.
It's time to roast and puree them.
It's so easy and get a load of food from each of these little fellas. After we wash the pumpkin really well, we're gonna cut it in half. Okay, that's the hardest part of the whole thing, cutting that sucker in half. I'm just gonna scoop out all these seeds and keep them for roasting.
In the description box, I'll leave a link to a video on how to roast seeds. It's very easy.
So the type of pumpkin you want to grab for cooking is going to be one of the small pipe pumpkins, honey nut or pink banana squash, kabocha, butternut, the kind they put in the, like the Libby's pumpkin in the cans. Those are called Dickerson pumpkins.
The larger field pumpkins that are usually used for carving can have a stringy flesh, so they're not ideal. I use parchment paper so the cleanup is easy. The pumpkin is placed cut side down on the tray. I just try to position them to get as much pumpkin on one tray as possible. And then into the oven. The oven does all the work. It's gonna bake at 400 degrees for about 45 minutes to an hour.
Okay, you need to be able to poke your fork in really easily. And this is going in a little bit hard.
It just needs to cook longer. Steamy.
Okay, that's better. Nice and soft. And I'm just gonna flip it over and check and see if I just kind of scrape out the inside where the seeds were. Get any extra seeds that I might have left out before. And my dogs will love this. I'll put it in their dog food in a little bit. Right here. Flip over this one. I'm just going to take out the right inside where the seeds were, because sometimes I miss them. I tend to do things a little bit quick. Maybe, oh, see, there's some right there. We don't really want that in our puree. You can take a spoon. I just like an ice cream scoop. I don't know why. I think it just works really well. All of this is going to go into a blender, or you could put it in a bowl and use an immersion blender. I will be using our Vitamix. How long it takes? It's 7:44. Scraping everything out, but I'm not using the rind, just the flesh inside. 7:46. Took me 2 minutes to get one half done. Want to know a secret? I didn't really want to do this tonight. I just kind of wanted to go get my shower, get in bed, read a book. I mean, I'm already in my pajamas, but I needed to do this. Sometimes things don't take as long as you think they're going to take. 7:47. See how long this side takes. Okay, this one's empty. That one took 2 minutes also. So we got an entire pitcher full of pumpkin. Let's go blend it. Pumpkin should have enough liquid in it that it blends just on its own without adding anything. Okay, she's done. See, I told you it was easy.